Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Arif and fellow friends. Good day everyone. Today we will present our project title Recall X Islamic Education Flashcards developed as part of the Design Thinking course EDT 505013. This project focuses on creating a simple yet effective tool to help students strengthen their understanding and retention of Islamic education concepts. Okay, our team members means Ustaz Muhaiman Aiman, Ustaz Tengku Saidul Halid, Ustaz Ami, Nurul Najwa binti Muhammad Salih, and Nurul Wafa binti Mazlan. To begin, let's look at the background, at the context of the problem. In many classrooms, students face difficulties when studying Islamic education because the context is often delivered through a long notes and text-heavy materials. These materials can be challenging for students to review, especially when they need quick revision before exams. Okay, this situation inspired us to explore a more interactive and learner-friendly method to support students' learning needs. Okay, the main objective of Recall X is to support students in remembering key Islamic concepts using simple, structured flashcards. Okay, our learning approach is straightforward. Each flashcard focuses on one idea at a time. Okay, this helps students digest information in small, clear, making revision easier and less overwhelming. Okay, in terms of accessibility, the flashcards use simple Malay language. Okay, this makes them suitable for students of different levels and useful for individual learning, group work or classroom activities. Okay, then overall the education impact we aim for is to encourage active recall and frequent revision. Okay, by doing so, Islamic education becomes not just easier to understand but also more engaging for students. Okay, through our observations and yearly feedback, we identified three main issues faced by students. Okay, first, challenges in memorization. Okay, students often struggle to remember Islamic facts because they rely heavily on length notes and do not revise consistently. Okay, second, low engagement and motivation. Okay, the traditional learning materials may lack visual appeal or interactivity, which leads to boredom and reduced interest. Okay. Lastly, three, there is a clear need for effective learning tools. Students require something simple, effective, and fun. Something that supports frequent revision and helps them stay motivated. Okay, Recall X aim to address all three of these issues. Okay, next, we identify three key stakeholders. Okay, the first group is students who are the primary users and face the greatest difficulty remembering Islamic facts. The second group is teachers who observe the challenges in the classroom and can support the implementation of the solution. And the third stakeholder is the school, which encourages tools that improve learning outcomes and overall student performance. Okay, for data collection, we use three methods. Okay, one, firstly, interviews with students and teachers to understand their needs. Okay, secondly, classroom observations to see the challenges firsthand. And thirdly, short quizzes to test students' memory and identify specific problem areas. Okay, this data collection method gave us a clear picture of the learning difficulties and help us design a meaningful solution. Okay, next I will pass the presentation to Ustaz Tengku Saidul Halim.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tengku Saidul Khalid bin Tengku Osman. Now I will continue our presentation by going into the design thinking process that we use for our project RecallX. Okay, the first process is emphasize stage. Okay, in this emphasize stage, we collected information, we collected data from our users to understand their real problems. Okay, so in this stage we use three simple methods, which is interviews, surveys and classroom observation lah. Right, so our target group was teachers and students from Islamic education classes. Okay, in this stage we use interview sessions and simple physical forms to collect their answers. Alright, so from the student interviews and surveys, we found many problems that student told us. The first one is the notes in the textbook are too long, right? In the Islamic education textbooks. Okay, and the second one is the sentences are difficult to understand because of the lengthy, and the meanings are too long, and many facts are very similar, and it's hard to remember so many points. Okay, some students also said that they feel bored when reading text heavy notes, okay, which is the textbooks. Okay, they lose focus quickly and they struggle to remember facts during class. Right. In short, students are having difficulty remembering Islamic education content because the notes are long and there's no visual and too many facts must be memorized. Okay, next we go through to the next stage, the second stage in this design thinking process, which is define stage. Okay, so based on emphasize stage, we now define the core problem. Okay, so here we pick three. The first one is user, okay, which is Islamic education students who struggle to remember key concept. Okay, the student is the user. Okay, and needs a simple, visual and easy way to revise Islamic education notes. Okay, what the student need is a simple, visual and easy way to revise Islamic education notes. And the inside is long notes are hard to remember, so students prefer short and visual tools. So our point of view is Islamic education students needs a simple visual tool to help them remember key concepts, because long notes are hard to retain and not engaging. So next, still in the define stage, okay, this is three, okay, that Sir Arif taught us in the previous lesson. Okay, so this tree shows the symptoms, okay, the main problem and also the root causes. Alright, so the symptom here that we got, we collect the data from the student. Okay, So the symptom here is student forget Islamic facts easily, and the next one, student cannot revise long notes, and also they lose focus quickly, and they also feel bored with text heavy materials like textbooks. Okay, so the real problem here is students struggle to remember key Islamic concept effectively. Okay, what is cause? Okay, causes. The causes is notes are too long and not engaging, and student lack a simple visual recall tool, and student also current material and the current material also are not colorful or attractive lah, like Islamic student Islamic education textbooks. Okay, too many kalimah. Okay, there's no picture, there's no visual. Okay, and by this also student needs a portable tool they can use anytime. Okay, with this definition, in short, I think emphasize us here real user problems, while define stage turn those findings into a clear POV and root causes. Now we are ready to generate ideas that truly fit our students' needs. Okay, so I think that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my next friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Wafa binti Maslan to continue the presentation. So I will present about the idea. So in this stage, we focus on generating ideas to solve the problem. There is the 5 steps and in this idea. So the first step is preparation. So in this preparation, we identify key users, Islamic education students and teachers. Second, we review empathic findings. Students forget easily the facts, dislike, and students dislike long notes, and they prefer color and small learning tools. So our goal is to create practical and student-friendly memorization tools which are using digital device. So in the step 2 is the brainstorming sessions. We conduct brainstorming sessions. First, we discuss which teachers, research student face challenge such as a lot of Islamic content and depending too much on one notes. Teachers suggest using physical tools like flashcards, pocket notes, and mnemonic cards. Then we ask students about the tools that help them remember better. Students prefer colorful cards, short explanation, icons, and pocket-sized materials. After collecting ideas, we evaluate them using several criteria. First, practicality in class, which are needing points. Second, ease of use, so students can quickly recall information. Third, portability, so the tool is easy to carry. And finally, memory effectiveness. Based off these key criteria, we select flashcard style pocket cards as the best solution. Then we organize the design ideas. The card will contain one keyword, a short of explanation, color coding for different topics such as Iman, Islam, Sirah, and Akhlaq, small icon to help memory, and a short summary. We use the notebook LM for this time to make the card. And the last step is the blueprint development. Okay, the cards are small and pocket friendly. Each card contains a keyword or title, a one-line summary, color categories, and small icons. The cards are organized based on Islamic topics such as Iman, Islam, Sirah, and Akhlaq. This blueprint becomes the prototype idea for the recall pocket notes cards. So the next is the prototype stage. In this stage, we create a simple version of the Recall X flashcards. The flashcards are designed to be simple and easy to read. Each card uses a single color and basic text so students can focus on the important information. For this prototype, we create a summary card for the topic of Salat. The card includes several sections such as bahasa, istilah and hikmah to help students understand the meaning and the benefit of prayer. After that, we test the prototype with 10 students. From the feedback, most students said the cards are easy to understand and fun to use. However, some students suggest adding more colors and including more topics to make the cards more interesting. So this feedback has helped us improve the design for the next stage. The third is test. We test. Firstly the sample. So we make the test. This flashcard. So we make the sample to the one class. This class have the 20 students. So this student, so we use the flashcard to test how the effective using the flashcard to memorize the content of Islamic education. So the target is to student only, and the feedback is by the interview session. We make the interview. So we ask the student how the effective of the using the flashcard in the memorizing the Islamic education.
Okay guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Zakir, and I will proceed our presentation on prototype demonstration. Okay, in prototype demonstration, I will explain four things. Okay, the first one is how this Recall X looks like. The second one is how Recall X works. The third one is how we apply, how we use Recall X towards our students. And the last one, we will see the effectiveness of Recall X to our students' study. Okay, before I move further, let me see how Recall X looks like. Okay, Recall X is very small card or simple card, pocket size, or I can say hand size cards. Okay, which easy to carry everywhere, anywhere, and each card contain different topics, different titles, and in each cards, okay, each titles, there are only infographic and keywords or points that students need to know. Okay, as we can see in pelajaran 1, mukmin yang bertakwa. If we compare with the textbook, mukmin yang bertakwa almost 5 pages. So we use Recall X where there is only 1 page infographic. Okay, second one, very short 1 to 2 line explanation only. Okay, so in Recall X, there are color coded borders based on topic Iman, Islam, Sirah, Akhlak. So students can remember if they use Recall X when in examination. So, the green one is Akhlak. The gray one is Iman. Okay, this color is about these topics, so that they can remember easily. And then we use simple icon to help memory. So just like I say just now, okay, infographics and printed on thicker paper for durability. So it's mean long lasting. Okay. So how Recall X works? How the prototype works? Students flip through cards quickly to revise key Islamic education concepts. So Recall X is a bundle of cards. Okay, we compile it. Okay, we compile it. We make it in a ring. Okay, and then so student just flip over the card if they want to move to the next chapter, next topic. So we just flip it. So they can read at the back, at the front. Okay, cards are organized by colors, making it easier to find topics. No phone or digital device needed. So we use cards only. Okay, cards allow fast, low stress revision during waiting time, so they can use anytime. Okay, waiting time in class, in recess time, before class, in group study, and lesson recap if they want to use for questioning and answering with their peers, so they can use Recall X to um, recall. So that's why our project name Recall. Okay, recall, remember back, or revision back. Okay, something like that. Okay, next, how students use Recall X. Students revise anytime, anywhere using pocket cards. Okay, Recall X. So teachers can give tasks, assignments. Okay, so by using Recall X, they use it individually or in pairs peer revision. Teachers can use cards for quick class activities. So that was an example. Pick a card and explain. Match color categories. 1 minute recall drill. So there are a lot of activities that teachers can use. Okay, by using Recall X. And I I, I thought that Recall X will make students remember easily and make uh, pendidikan Islam subject more fun. Okay, because we can see student nowadays, they are lazy to read books a lot. Okay, they are easy. The students are easy forgetting infos, something like that. And then why this prototype is effective? Okay, the first one, it cards are simple, visual, and easy to understand. Very very simple, very very attractive. Okay, we can see in our slide. So panduan asas konsep ibadah and jenis hukum dalam Islam. Okay, so we can see the jenis rukun. So how many jenis rukun, and then uh, what is the reasons for each rukun. Okay, then supports active recall without needing technology. So if this Recall X is being used in rural areas, okay, so there will be no problem, okay, because we does not use any technology. We does need Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, all those things. Okay, and then help students who struggle with long notes. Just like I said just now. So students nowadays are hard to read and remember. Okay, and then lightweight, practical, and student friendly. So in my slide, you can see uh, example of demonstration, okay, for our projects towards our student, the usage of Recall X. Uh, so this is example in a group of 4. Okay. Okay, next we move to feedbacks and iterations. Okay, so we get feedbacks from Pendidikan Islam teachers for Form 1 uh, when we ask them to use Recall X in their classes. Okay, so what improvement uh, they can see in their class, okay, regarding the understanding of their students, okay, maybe performance in their class, okay, how their student can remember or improvement in their writing or in quizzes, okay, and we make iterations too, we make improvement based on the feedbacks. Okay, next, so let me show you the feedbacks and iterations. These are the real feedbacks and what we have improvised from the feedbacks. The students say the cards are easy to understand, short notes help me remember faster. I like the colors. For catches is good. I can bring it easily. So from the feedbacks, we go through back our recall X, our projects, and we improvise on some cards that need a clear keywords. So from a little bit long sentence, we pull the keywords that they need to understand and remember. Okay, the colors needed better contrast, icons needed to be simplified. It means better icons, more catchy icons. Okay, some summaries were slightly long and needed shortening. Cards needed lamination for durability. Okay, that we see from the teachers' feedback. Cards help students stay focused. Students respond better compared to the long notes, like I said from the slide before. Okay, students nowadays are struggling in reading like history book. Okay, cards work well for quick revision activities, not just revision activities we can use in classes during PDP, okay, or um, drilling for exams and etc. And improvement actions that we done is so we improvise on shorten several explanations to 1 2 lines only, or even uh, less than that. Okay, standardized color coding for each team. Okay, simplified icons for easier recognition. Sorry, for easier recognition. Okay, increase font size for readability. Uh, so there are a few cards which in the topic there are a lot of um, info, so we compact it in a single page. So the font size, okay, for the font size, the text size, okay, is small. So we standardize, okay, to uh, one font text. Okay, and the last one, printed on thicker card and laminated for longer use. So same uh, improvement. Okay, so based on the students and teachers' feedback, these are the iteration that we come up. Okay, second last, impact meaningful reflection, impact on students. Student revise Islamic concept faster using short, simple notes. Increase confidence because content is easy to understand. Very, very simple. Very, very uh, easy to read and understand lah. Okay, improve memory retention during class activities and short quizzes. Okay, they can recall easily. Students became more engaged because the cards are colorful and portable. uh, the teachers say even the student sometimes they not bring the textbook, they just use our recollects. So a very very good result, or a very very good process in study or in improving our recollects. Okay, the classroom learning, teachers can run quick review activities more efficiently. Pocket notes reduce dependency on long notes and textbook. Okay, also students learn how to make uh, a note. Okay, not just copying a textbook. Okay, enables active learning. Students can quiz each other using the cards. Okay, the last one. Okay, the conclusion. What worked well? So keeping information short, 1 to 2 lines, helps learning. Okay, color coded categories make a recall easier. This have been proved based on our uh, feedbacks. Okay, physical cards are effective because students cannot use phones. Okay, in our MRSM, students cannot use phone. Just 3310 phones, Nokia. Okay, students enjoy using pocket notes as they feel less stress revising. Okay, what could be improved? Cards can be expanded to more topics, surah, hadith, adab. So actually, we use this recall X, and our focus is on ujian formatif satu for Form 1 students. Okay, there are only 6 topics. Okay, that is our focus. Laminated versions last longer and look more professional, improve icon clarity to support better visual memory, and our future possibilities create larger class sets for group activities. So, uh, in future, so you guys can pray is maybe we can improve and we can create for each forms from 1 until from 5. Okay, so maybe inshallah. Okay, then produce digital version later if phone policy changes. Okay, turn recall X into complete learning kit, notes, and game cards. That is our future project, future plan. So that's all from us. Thank you so much for your for lending your ears and focus on our presentation. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.